Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will do the most expected MCQ of class 10th geography chapter manufacturing industries. So let's get started with our first question. Our first question is Bhel and sale are related to which sector? Public sector, private sector, cooperative sector or joint sector? And the answer is public sector, that is government. Second question is industry run jointly by the state and individuals. Tisco, Dabur Industry, Oil India Industries or SAIL. And the answer is Oil India Industry. This is run by state government as well as private sector. Next is first cotton textile mill was established in 1854 in Gujarat, Mumbai, Maharashtra or Tamil Nadu. And the answer is Mumbai. Next question. The first jute mill was set up in 1855 along what? It was this, it was located along River in West Bengal. Next question. Manufacturing comes under which sector? Primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector or none of these? And the answer is secondary sector. Manufacturing comes under the secondary sector. Our next question. What does influence industrial location? Availability of raw material, capital and power, labor and market, or all of these? And the answer is all of the given factors. Friends, you know the availability of raw material and market and labor all are required for a good industry. Next question. Jute and cotton textile are agro based industry, mineral based industry, key industry or none of these? Answer is agro based industry. Next question. Country which is major importer of Indian yarn? Japan, Britain, Spain or America? And the answer is Japan. The only industry in India which is self-reliant and complete in value chain. Sugar industry, textile industry, heavy industry or light industry? And the answer is textile industry. It is the only industry which gets its raw material from India and final product is also uh, completed in India only. Next question. What opened the opportunity for jute products in international markets again? Environmental friendly, biodegradable, both of these, or none of these? And the answer is both the given points. Means it is biodegradable as well as eco-friendly. So because of global warming and uh, consciousness of the government, it become very popular in all over the world. Hope you enjoy the lesson. Bye bye.